In the previous video, we've seen the state file and its importance. In this video, we will see about providers. Actually, we've been using providers from the very beginning without even knowing. This was the configuration file we've been using. If you take out the resource types and split based on the first leftmost occurrence of the underscore, you will get two pieces of information. For the random pet, random is the provider and pet is the resource. For the local file, local is the provider and file is the resource. So, what are providers? Providers are plugins that act as an interface between Terraform and the systems you want to manage. The plugins translate the code into actions. Let me explain this in more detail. When we use this code, we will get this file. So the local provider takes the configuration file and creates the text file. Without providers, Terraform can't operate. Some key points to note are: the plugins are downloaded into the current directory when we run the initialization. The downloaded plugins are available under a directory called .terraform/providers. There are three types of plugins. Official. These are the plugins created by Terraform itself. Partner. These are plugins created by specific companies for their own infrastructure resources, mostly Azure, AWS, and GCP. Community. These are developed by people for their own usage. Let's jump to VS Code and see a quick demo. Let's start with the demo. As you can see, the current directory is empty. It has absolutely nothing. Let's start by creating the main.tf file. I will add the local file resource. Let's open the terminal and run Terraform in it. Let's focus on these lines. According to those lines, the local provider plugin is searched and then installed. You can see that the .terraform folder is also created, which was not there earlier. One neat trick to see the list of all plugins that are installed in the current directory is to run Terraform version. In addition to showing the version of Terraform that is being used, it also lists the plugins and their versions as well. Let's add the random pet resource. Let's run Terraform version again. As you can see, the random plugin is not listed. This is because whenever you add resources for which the plugins are not installed, you need to get them by reinitializing. As you can see, the local plugin is reused while the random plugin is downloaded and installed. Now, if we run Terraform version, it will list both the local and random plugins. In the directory as well, you can see the same.